Given that f of x is a degree 3 polynomial with zeros at x minus 7, 4, and 7, find an equation for f of x given that the coefficient of x cubed equals 7. Okay, so the roots at negative 7, 4, and 7 means that x plus 7, so we're going to take the opposite of 7. So opposite of negative 7 is positive 7, so x plus 7, x minus 4, x minus 7, because negative 7 is the opposite of positive 7, negative 4 is the opposite of positive 4, equals 0. So we know that this is true. This will satisfy the first condition that this has zeros or roots at these values. Because if we plug in negative 7 plus 7 is 0, that equals 0, and then everything else becomes 0 as well, because when you multiply by 0, you get 0. Don't mean to make it too complicated. This is kind of just the way we write that out. So now, it tells us we can insert our answer in a factored form or a standard form. So we're going to do this in a factored form. So where we have, basically means it's simplified. So we also know that the equation for x cubed is equal to 7. So the way we're going to get the x cubed from is when we multiply these out, we're going to get x times x times x equals something. It's going to be x cubed. But it tells us that the equation, the value for that is going to start with a 7. So to turn this x cubed into a 7x cubed, we're just going to put a 7 right there. So the answer for this is simply going to be 7 times quantity x plus 7 times quantity x minus 4 times x minus 7. These, as we said earlier, is going to satisfy the roots, the zeros at that, and the 7 at the front is going to give us the coefficient of x cubed equal to 7. So now I'm going to plug this into Wolfram just so I can give, because I don't want to multiply, we could multiply this all out. It would be cumbersome, and there's a good chance I would make a mistake. So I'm just going to do Wolfram x minus 4 times quantity x minus 7. And we multiply this out, this will be the same as, let's get the alternate forms, 7x cubed minus 28x squared minus 343x plus 1372 equals 0. So f of x equals this. And either one of these would be acceptable. So that's how we approach that problem. Kind of a deep concept, but the actual execution isn't too bad. Hope that helped. See you on the next problem.